How to allow camera access for Snapchat on PC on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to grant Snapchat permission to use your camera in just a few steps. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Let me show you. From there, click on Privacy and Security on the left side menu. At this point, scroll down and click on Camera under the App Permissions section. In the next step, make sure camera access is toggled on at the top to allow apps to use your camera. From there, scroll down through the list of apps and look for your browser, either Chrome or Edge depending on which one you use for Snapchat. At this stage, make sure the toggle next to your browser is turned on to allow it to access your camera. Following this, open your Chrome browser and go to snapchat.com. Let me show you what to do next. Once done, click on the camera icon or lock icon at the left side of the address bar to open the site permissions for Snapchat. From there, look for the camera option and make sure it is set to allow. At this stage, refresh the page and try using your camera on Snapchat again to check if it's now working. Finally, if the camera is still not accessible, try restarting your browser completely. Close Chrome and reopen it, then go back to snapchat.com and check if the camera is now working properly. And that's it. If this guide helped you allow camera access for Snapchat on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.